Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow secure folder data to be copied and pasted outside of secure folder using the clipboard on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then we go down and tap on secure folder. Next, we go down and tap on notifications and data. Go down to the last option and tap on allow clipboard. This will allow the secure folder data to be copied and pasted outside of the secure folder. By default, this is turned off. So by default, for the security reason, it should be turned off so that data cannot be shared between inside the secure folder and outside of the secure folder. So if you want to allow copying information to the clipboard, just turn this on, okay? After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.